What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to show you how to create an opt-in link. Opt-in links allow you to create a nice little link where people can tap on from social media or an email blast or on their phone in general to set up a text message with your short code or number and your keyword or text word so that all they have to do is hit send to subscribe. Let's go. Inside your dashboard, let's go over to the Marketing Tools tab. Since opt-in links is a mechanism to grow your list, you're going to find it here in the Marketing Tools tab. We're going to go ahead and click on Generate Link. On the next page, we're going to select an opt-in link that we want to generate this word for. Whichever text word you select will be the list that your contacts will be added to when they tap that link and hit send. So we're going to do the BB Grill list. Let me explain what this is. The desktop fallback is a nice little handy feature that we have that allows us to detect whether or not they're on a mobile device that has SMS or not. If it finds out that your user taps that link and they're not on a mobile device with SMS to opt in, we'll go ahead and redirect them to a web sign-up form. And the caveat here is that you have to have that web sign-up form created before you add a desktop fallback. I already have some created, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert one of those links right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a web form URL, and we'll use this sign up landing page as the fallback. Now, if you had a web page where you had a sign up form embedded, you could also redirect them there. So let me show you how this works. Let's go ahead and generate the opt-in link and let's test it out. All right, so there's our link. I'm gonna go ahead and text it to myself and bring up my phone on the screen. This is gonna simulate me tapping that link from, let's say, social media or an email blast on my mobile phone. All right, and there's the link. Now watch what happens. I'm gonna tap the link. It's going to set up the text word in the message spot and the phone number in the phone spot. Now, ignore the text messages I already have there because I sent it to myself, but watch, I'll go ahead and hit send, and this is going to subscribe me to the BB Grill list, right? So there's my auto reply. Now, what happens if we just take this, right? I'm on a MacBook Pro, and we just go to a web browser and we paste it in there and hit enter. Well, it's going to redirect us to that web form that I created. So it's going to detect that I'm not on a mobile device, and it's going to give us this option to fill out the form and subscribe to our list. Okay, and then once we do that, we receive confirmation on our mobile number and they're opted in. And that's it, guys. That's how you create an opt-in link here with SlickText. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.